people, welcome to Insight with Papa Masa. So today I'm doing this insight in response to a post that has been circulating on social media, and according to the post, we'll be experiencing the Aphelion Phenomenon until the 22nd day of August. And according to the post, we cannot actually see the phenomenon, but we can feel its impacts, which manifests in terms of cold weather that leads to flus, coughs, amongst others. And so it was recommending that people should actually take lots of vitamins so as to boost their immunity and not fall victims of the colds and the coughs and everything that the weather brings. And so I saw the post again just recently, and I thought, well, let me act on it so that I actually see what that was really about. So I looked at the Aphelion Phenomenon, and I have actually looked at some of the things that the experts have to say concerning the post and concerning the phenomenon at large. And so the first person I'll be looking at is Professor Guy Misley. But before I look at what the experts say, I'd just like to say, we know that the Earth is not a perfect circle, because if it would be a perfect circle, then we wouldn't have variations in terms of like the distance from the sun to the earth, because the earth rotates in an orbit, and so or rather it is elliptical, and so there is a time of the year when the earth is closest to the sun, and there are times when it is farthest from the sun. And so the Aphelion phenomenon is simply the period, like right now, when the earth is further away from the sun. And so Professor Guy Misley, when he was asked to give his opinion about or rather on whether the Aphelion phenomenon has an impact on climate change, he said, so Guy Misley is an expert on global change sciences at Stellenbosch University. According to him, he says that climate change is caused by seasonality, that is the change from summer to winter, and not necessarily because of the distance of the earth from the sun. And then he also says that according to modernity, global warming is also a major contributing factor to the changes in weather conditions. Another expert that I looked at is Professor Hussein Alatas, and this is from IPB University in theoretical physics, as well as a lecturer in complex systems physics in Indonesia. So according to Professor Hussein, he says that extreme weather that can have an impact on health, that is the appearance of cold, coughs, and such symptoms, is unlikely to be caused by two positions of the earth from the sun. And he also agrees that according to modernity, global warming is a major factor to climate change. And so this is just to say that, well, in as much as the Aphelion phenomenon has an impact on the on climate change, then it doesn't really have much to do with what people are experiencing currently. So if you're having a cold, if you're having a cough, it's not really because of the Aphelion phenomenon, but maybe other factors. So I hope you've also learned something. I'll see you guys around. It's bye for now.